Some towers exist to simply hold a rope. Ours exists to hold everything. Your boards, your shade, your sound, even your expectations. And they'll probably hold up to whatever else you try to throw at them too. They're strong, precise, unshakable. Purpose-built to make your boat feel complete. Because at MasterCraft, our towers are a part of the boat's identity. Designed to work as hard as the hull beneath them and to integrate seamlessly with the overall design. Form and function in perfect balance. Every line, every hinge, every detail exists for a reason. Let's start with the Z9, the newest tower in the MasterCraft family and exclusive to the redesigned X24. It's a big update, a testament to premium design and unrelenting innovation. It's fully powered, always standard, and impossible to ignore. For biminis, you've got two options. The standard Heritage Bimini gives classic looks and coverage, or you can step up to the rigid premium bimini for a cleaner, high-end look and increased shade. You got anodized accents, integrated hooks for life jackets and towels, upholstery details, subtle touches that matter. Customize the Z9 further with optional board racks, 7 powder coat colors, tower projector lights, and X sound pods. With its striking looks and refined details, the Z9 sets the tone for the entire boat. Strong, intentional, built to perform. On the X-Star, the standard Z100 tower takes that same philosophy and pushes it even further. Fully powered and fully loaded, it folds easily at the helm or from the transom, giving you complete control with the push of a button. Function meets finish with 7 powder coat color options and XL surf racks in silver or black. Up top, choose between the Heritage Bimini or the rigid Premium Bimini for a cleaner look and increased coverage. And for sound, the Z100 integrates rear-facing and down-firing sound pods, so the audio carries everywhere, inside the boat and behind it too. Even the smallest details have been considered. Backlit badging, shield projection lighting, and refined toe points built right into the structure. It's the strongest, smartest, and most complete tower we've ever built, and it only belongs on the flagship. Then there's the Z8, the one you can truly make your own. Available on all XT models, it's always been our most customizable tower. And for 2026, that customizability goes even further with 7 powder coat colors, plus silver or black inlays that match your board racks. Standard clamping board racks come ready to go, or upgrade to power racks for even more convenience. Add 2 or 4 tower speakers, pop open the Heritage Bimini, and the boat's set for whatever kind of day you've got planned. With integrated hydrolock folding, raising and lowering the Z8 is simple and solid. And every line integrates cleanly into the boat's design, especially now with additional customization options that tie directly into your gel coat. The result is a tower that looks every bit as strong as it's built. And finally, the Z6. Proof that even our most approachable tower is built with purpose. Standard on all NXT and XT models, it's straightforward, functional, and built to last. For 2026, it's more customizable than ever, with a default silver finish or new black, white, or flint gray options. Standard clamping board racks keep your gear locked in, while 2 or 4 tower speakers let you add the sound you want. The Heritage Bimini comes standard, giving you shade that's simple and reliable. The Z6 may be the starting point, but it's still all MasterCraft. And if you're on the Pro Star and want a tower, there's an option for that too. Minimal, clean, all silver. It pairs cleanly with the Pro Star's Bimini, giving you shade and structure without changing the boat's iconic profile. Functional, thoughtful, built to support your day on the water in the same way all MasterCraft towers do. From the Z100 to the Z6, every MasterCraft tower delivers strength, precision, and purpose. Just like the boats they sit on.